6 Nightly News. I'm Olivia Ruska.
And I'm Deanna Clamorous. Tonight we will be featuring highlights of Newton's 3 laws in baseball.
Isaac Newton was a physicist and a mathematician who is recognized as one of the most influential scientists of all time.
Newton created 3 laws of motion, which we are about to show you in a short video.
According to Newton's first law, an object at rest stays at rest until acted on by an unbalanced force.
The baseball that is sitting on top of the tee is the object at rest. Once it is hit by the bat, it has been hit by an unbalanced force.
This law also states that the ball will continue in motion until it is acted upon by an unbalanced force to put it at rest.
This first law is also known as the law of inertia.
Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass.
The greater the mass of an object, the greater the amount of force needed to be put on an object to make it accelerate.
A softball has a greater mass than a baseball and requires more force when it is being thrown.
A baseball is easier to exert more force on because they weigh less and are easier to throw. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
When the baseball player is catching the ball, you can feel the force of the ball hitting your glove, and your glove hitting the ball.
When you're running the bases, you don't fall through the earth because the earth is pushing back up on you.
Your feet also push back on the earth. When you're running the bases themselves push back up on your feet and propel you around the bases.
That's all the time we have today to talk about Newton's laws.
But join us next week for our lesson on buoyancy. Have a great night! Good evening, and thank you for tuning in to
Created 3 laws of motion, which we are... Oh no!
Good evening.
Bueno. Okay, go.
You are so close! Yeah, you had 2 words left! Are you kidding me? I know! I messed it up.
As if you're awake, he knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake.